Hello my baker friends, you're watching Le Bon Baker. I'm Nicole and today we're going to be making maple roasted pecans. They're going to be absolutely delicious. These will be beautiful as a little snack on their own little sugary pick-me-up. Otherwise you can add it to salads or you can even package it up as a little gift and give out to your favorite people. Let's get to it. First things first, don't forget turn on your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then just line a little baking tray with some parchment paper. Got it. For the ingredients, we've got some pecans, some maple, a little bit of cinnamon here and then some salt to sprinkle on top. For the full recipe, head to lebonbaker.com. All that we need to do is combine our maple syrup and our cinnamon in a bowl. We're going to mix it up and then drop in our pecans. The cinnamon's making a really nice fragrant smell already, so now it's time to drop in the pecans, or pecans depending on where you live. So stir in the maple and the cinnamon really well with the pecans and give it a good mix until the pecans are all beautifully coated. I'm just going to pour the pecans, turn them out onto the tray, and then I'm going to drizzle the remaining mixture on top. We've got one ingredient left to go and that is our salt, and we're going to sprinkle it on top of our beautiful pecans here. Don't forget this, it's going to give it a really nice little pop. Into the oven they go for about 5 to 10 minutes. Just keep having a look at yours. Make sure that they're beautiful, golden and toasted, and then you can bring them out and they'll be ready to eat. Now, don't go anywhere because you're about to smell something incredible. The smell is redonkulous. It's just like sweet sugar in the air. It's time to get out our beautiful pecans. Let's do it. So I'm just going to give these a little stir up and make sure they are completely coated in the sticky goodness, and then we can let them cool. So simple but so much flavor. I'm just gonna be eating these all afternoon. Sticking in my teeth, there's so much sugar. It's so beautiful. So I'll just let these cool and dry and then happy days. Now that they've cooled, and I've just been eating them the whole time. I actually cannot stop eating them. They're so tasty. They should just pop off the tray, so just put it on something nice. As I said before, these are fabulous for adding to ice cream, salads, whatever you like. They're super cute if you package them up in a little jar or a little package as a really nice, thoughtful gift for someone. But that's only if you can get past trying not to eat them yourself. So addictive. I actually can't stop eating them. I'm just gonna put a little bow around this, make it super cute. I haven't decided who's lucky enough yet to get this. There we go. Maybe a little gift to myself. Yay! Guys, you can whip this up in absolutely no time at all. Such a cute little gift or a treat for yourself. Give it a go. Thank you for joining me today for some fun in the kitchen. You're gonna absolutely love this recipe for maple roasted pecans or pecans, depending on where you live in the world. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Le Bon Baker, for all tips, tricks, and recipes for the home baker.